Hi guys, how are you? I really hope everything is okay with you all. Welcome to another informative video, is not intended to influence you to buy a product. In recent days it has grown a lot and has become a trend. We are talking about the famous Tupi Tea review. Tupi Tea Review is a scientifically proven product that can help you to have more endurance and virility, rich in ingredients that will help you to have a healthy virility. But before proceeding, it is important to be aware of frauds and scams related to this product. To ensure your safety when buying, I left in the description of this video the official link of Tupi Tea Review, where you can take advantage of a special offer from the producer. Remember that the purpose of the video is completely informative, so stay until the end of the video because I have important alerts to do about the product. What is Tupi Tea? Tupi Tea is a great discovery of the Amazon. It is a food supplement designed to help you have a healthy libido and virility. Tupi Tea is for men who want to surprise their partner in a more virile and healthy way. It is a tea for men of all ages. Tea is a drink rich in antioxidants and nutrients that can offer a number of health benefits, including improved virility. It regulates blood flow, thus making the man with more libido and vitality. Benefits of Tupi Tea. Improvement of libido. Teas for virility can help increase libido, that is, sexual desire. This may be due to the effects of these herbs on blood circulation, testosterone production and stress levels. Improvement of erection. Teas for virility can also help improve erection, which is important for sexual function. This may be due to the effects of these herbs on blood circulation and testosterone production. Improved sexual performance. Teas for virility can also help improve sexual performance, which can include duration, frequency and intensity of erections. This may be due to the effects of these herbs on blood circulation, testosterone production and stress levels. Improved quality of life. Teas for virility can help improve quality of life, which can include energy levels, mood and sexual satisfaction. This may be due to the effects of these herbs on blood circulation, testosterone production and stress levels. It is recommended to do everything correctly to enjoy the wonderful effects throughout the day. Each organism works in a different way, so the results vary according to each person. The ideal is to do the treatment for a few months to have great results, especially if you want to lose more weight after 21 days. Warranty. Tupi Tea offers a 100% guarantee for your customers of 90 days for product return, full or empty bottles. If you are not fully satisfied with the product within 90 days, just contact us at or call the toll-free number. Full refund of the product within 48 hours of return, no questions and questions as to why. Formula. The formula consists of a wonderful blend of 8 supernatural ingredients of clinically proven high quality, which are vitamin E, niacin, horny goatweed extract, marijuana powder, terrestrial tribulus extract, diffuse ternera leaf, ginkgo biloba powder and oat straw powder. Conclusion. If you want to know more about Tupi Tea and want to check the information closely, I will be leaving the link in the description for more information. Be sure to visit the site for free. I'm sure it will help you clarify many doubts. Write here in the comments your opinion about Tupi Tea and if you have already used Tupi Tea. If you like the Tupi Tea, I will be leaving here in the description the link for more information if you feel the desire to acquire the Tupi Tea. Remembering that the purpose of the video is fully informative, it does not serve as a medical consultation, so do not forget to consult your doctor. Kisses and until the next video.